Telangana's Chief Minister Revanth Reddy has a massive aim. He wants to transform the state from a $200 billion economy to a $1 trillion economy by 2034. But is this mathematically possible? Let's find out. See, a lot of states have used this $1 trillion dream to show how ambitious they are and how much they care for their people. But to be honest, this is just a political propaganda. This does not work out. For example, even Maharashtra had this $1 trillion dream by 2028. It's 2026 and right now its GDP is only $550 billion. Same goes with Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu had this target to become a $1 trillion economy by 2030, but its current GDP standing is only $350 billion. Same goes with UP. Even Yogi Adityanath had the same vision, but UP's GDP is only $300 billion. See, the numbers really didn't stack up for these states and it is not stacking up for Telangana as well. See, Telangana as a state has performed very well. In fact, its average growth rate, it has been very close to the national average. That is 7.5%. But in order to become a $1 trillion economy, it will actually have to grow around three times the national average. It will have to grow annually by around 22%. And actually, that's not pragmatic. Telangana needs a lot of foreign direct investment, FDI. In fact, its FDI flow should increase by around 8 to 9 times than what it is today. And all the numbers that I've stated, this does not include any mishaps such as any climatic crisis, any inflation or recession. And actually, nobody can predict these unforeseen events. See, even India had massive dreams of becoming the third largest economy in the world. But we didn't predict the West Asian crisis and the entire world slowed down and so did India. Nevertheless, I do respect Revanth Reddy's ambition. It's very, very commendable. And I hope that he tries to achieve it. But to be honest, I don't think that it's realistically possible. What do you think? Please let me know your views.